Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a unboxing from PandaHall Selected. They had contacted me and asked if I wanted to share a few products with you guys. And of course I said yes. I will have all of the links in the description box, including a coupon code that you guys can use that's good until February. And I'll have all the links for all the products and everything down there as well. So we are going to get into this bag. And they did send me an extra item that I had not picked, but it's really cute. So who doesn't love getting extra things? And I believe they have a big sale going on right now on their website. So yeah, here, those are the items. That's the packing list that they always put in there. So the first item that I got, these are molds, and you can use them with resin, but I got them to kind of use with like either clay or hot glue, because I've been seeing people using the hot glue with these smaller molds and then painting it, and I thought it was really neat. So you get the little glove finger protectors. You get the stir sticks in here, and then you get like the little pipettes. So if you were going to use this with resin, you could use the pipettes to make it a little bit easier of pouring it in. So you get that, and I'm going to go ahead and show you. I'm not sure which way that goes, but all of them are like just intricate little designs on here, and I thought they were really cute, so I wanted to go ahead and get them. And I wanted to try using the clay, like using clay with them, and then using possibly resin. I don't know yet, but also the hot glue. I wanted to try the hot glue method and see how well it will work. So quite a few of these. I really like them though. Okay, so the next thing that I got, and I gotta open it up. Let me get my scissors. Thankfully I have scissors like right behind me. There we go. And I absolutely fell in love with this when I saw it. Okay. It is that way, I think. Well, we'll turn it. No, it is. It's got to be this way. All right, so let me get this. So these are runes, and it's a metal plate, and it's a stencil. And I just thought that was really neat. So I wanted to go ahead and get that. And then the next thing I got, I think they included like a little bit of extra in here. I'm not sure, but it's almost like they put a little bit extra in there. But you got some items to work with the clay. You've got some keychains in here, some bells, just some different little fascinating things. Okay, this is really neat. I like this. It came with I got clay, and this is the tool set that came with it. So you've got these plastic ones here. Then you've got these really nice. These are really nice. I like these. But it's got like the silicone tips on them to help you shaping the clay and everything like that. And these look heavy duty and really nice. I like that. And then you've got these. And you can see the little tools at the tool bits at the end. Then you've got, again, really heavy duty ones. I'm going to take this one out. So you got, it's kind of like they give you both. These are really heavy duty. And you've got 8 different sizes. 4 on each end. Or 1 on each end, but they're different on both sides. Yeah, that's how I want to say that. And then you get these little itty bitty little tiny ones. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. I'm just going to take one out. So you get these little tiny ones. So for like intricate details working with the clay. Now, I am by no means an artist. So for me, it's just working with the molds with the clay. Because, yeah. And then we got in the box, we got another of the plastic tool set. This one has more in it. And then you've got all of the clay. And they're just like little, almost like little sample sizes. But you get a ton of clay in here. Just a ton. Bunch of different colors. Really like that one. You get a bunch of different colors in here. And then, let's see what they've got in the book. No pictures. Oh, wait. Yep, there we go. So there you go. You can see. Oh, that is really cute. I like that. So you can see all the different things that they show that you can do with the clay and fasteners that they included. So there you go. Okay. And then the last item that I got, this was extra. I did not order it. So they just sent it to me extra. It is a canvas feeling little tote bag. So you can see the little handles here. But look how cute this is. Look how adorable. And they have the website down here. But look how cute. It says craft sewing DIY. How adorable. I love it. So yeah, that is what I got. Oh, I don't think I showed the cups for the molds. This came with the molds for pouring your resin in it and mixing it up in there. So yeah, this is what I got. I am super excited to work with all this stuff. And I'm real excited to try the hot glue method in the molds, because I've seen people do it. I've seen people paint the hot glue, and it works out really well. So I'm looking forward to trying that with these, and I'm going to use the clay with some of them as well, just to see the difference. And I'm pretty sure, I want to say I'm pretty sure that this is, you have to bake it, but I'm not 100%. So if you guys go to the link, you can, more than likely, it's going to tell you if it is or isn't. But yeah, that is it. If you enjoy this content, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Go check out PandaHall Selected. I will have all their links and the coupon code in the description box below. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.